Now, let me carefully explain how to fix the sound issue you're experiencing. When sound only comes from one headphone or during voiceover in CapCut on your PC, let's troubleshoot this. First, you need to ensure that the problem is not with them, the headphones themselves. With the headphones themselves, as you see, try checking the sound on YouTube or in a music player to see if it's working properly. Now, let's check a music player to see sound. If sound is only in one earbud, the issue lies elsewhere, as shown. The issue is not with CapCut, as you see. Now let's check the sound balance in Windows. Now, let's carefully navigate to the settings, then to System, and select the audio output device. Output device check. Check to ensure that the left L and right R channels are set to the correct levels. A 100% TAF and an incorrect balance are common reasons for sound issues in your audio setup, as you can see here. Only in one ear, check your setup now. Now let's check the audio settings in CapCut to ensure everything's right. Select the audio track carefully, and now let's check the RAM usage. Panorama view here. So, it should ideally be set to option C, as you can see here. Now, if your audio track isn't displaying properly, let's carefully explore the potential issues you might be facing here. If your audio isn't working, check CapCut. Now let's try restarting CapCut to fix issues.